Okay, so I made some improvements to this. Basically, the come the mouse over nó trên được cái who liked it, right? Trên nó có thì all in like all in nó trên như chủ số all in nó bên nó whatever it is, right? Chỉ mà từ like chỉ có highlight nên nó là ní chỉ bỏ, có một the mouse over nó trên được bỏ. I think it's kind of like Facebook or something. So how I did this is let's take a look at the code. It's really simple. Because we do cho nó lo liền em nhá, we do cho the user nó lo liền. The user like nó chỉ liên chúng ta là the regular thing like everybody like nó lo cho số nó có query comment like by comment ID nó query record get comment likes by comment ID. Then mà đi lo thì get all the users, right? This is going to get all the users here. It's going to be in user format, right? Keep that in mind. Comment like user list, not the a list of user. Okay. Then here you see this list here. You can click into the user, the user type here. After that, then you get the display name from the user, right? For example, okay, so you got a bunch of comments from here. You pass that into the items, and then well, you pass that into for each, and then you also say, I want to take the first name of of for each of these user or comment like user list. For each of them, I want to take the first name and last name, and then I want to concatenate them together such that they show it there. For example, Alina Zhong, Mike Chu, right? So that we have the display name following that, but then we still have to format it. We still have to format it, right? What? Okay, so how do we want to format it? We want to put one line by line, so that the so only one username per line. So the next line would follow through would be the next user, etc. So we're just going to join array for this display name here. Basically, what this converts to up here is just a list of like you first name, last name. First name, last name is one item. The next one is first name, last name of the next person, etc. The next one we just say, okay, take all of that entire list, right? That we generated up here, and then we're just going to, for each, in between each one, just do a character 10, which means that just put a new line in between, right? And then that's where, like, we go down here. That's why we use it in the caption of the thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever, right? Did you want thumbs up? No, did you want thumbs down? Should want thumbs up, right? So that's where you have it here, right? And so what's cool about it is here it doesn't work. Let's just go to the loose site, huh? Right? And you kind of tell like, okay, Alina Song actually commented on this, even though this is me posting it, right? Alina Song and Mike Chu both comment on this. That's why there's two here. Amazing, Mike. Alina, Mike Chu comment on this. Thanks. Nobody commented on this. Alina Song commented on this. Nobody commented on this. Mike Chu commented on this. Both Alina and Mike Chu commented on this. So this is kind of cool. This helps to understand, like, okay, so who really liked this? Was it really true, right? So people can see that who commented. This is very useful, right? Very, very useful. So notice that Alina is shown here. I'm going to check this. Now Alina and Mike Chu commented. Yeah, it's really, really cool. So I think I built enough enhancements for this already. I believe we might want to might want the ability to update this. I don't know where we're gonna put that. Potentially for this one, we put it over here. We have to think about it. We have to say, okay, where is a good place to uh, to have the edit button, and where does all the other companies use it, right? So got reply here. Potentially, potentially what you can do is you can reply to yourself, but you can also edit it, right? So if we go to, let's say, Facebook comment or edit comment capability, right? So we could potentially do something like, Facebook has come sort of long ways. Edit it here. Quite edit it too. Depending on if you want to track the historical edits or something. This means you're probably looking at like uh, editing an existing comment. So edit comment. Um, I don't know. It's got to be some additional. But anyways, we'll figure out a place where it could be next to reply or something. But just keep in mind, edit's only available for you if you are the owner of the comment. So in other words, like I can't go in here. I cannot comment. I cannot comment Alina's post here. I could only comment mine, and I could only see edit on mine. You know. So potentially it'll be something like along the lines of like, let's look up reply, right? Let's see what reply looks like. Replies here, right? So potentially what we want to do is we probably want to do another reply button here. Maybe call this one edit, something like that. And this only appears if if I don't know this reply and edit icon here. I guess we use icons so that people are very clear about understanding whether this is an edit or whatever, right? So we could work on the edit piece sometime later. So I'm just going to save this and so that if you go here, you could see edit all over the place here. Right. I guess this is okay. This is getting more and more beautiful now. You know, you got the likes here, that's great. You got the reply, got the edit, doesn't fucking work yet. Right. So this is really cool. I think this would be useful for any type of collaboration. Sama hit reply. Say for example, I want to reply to myself. If you hit reply, you can even trigger it to kick off a process or save things to the database or whatever it needs to do. You could even say, you could even have a chat with. I don't know if you could have a chat directly with Appian, but honestly, you could build some really advanced things to like display maybe a chat box or something like that. Imagine if you came in here and you type something, somebody could come in here and they can type something too, and then you can type something, and you can have a real-time conversation in here, right? That updates frequently, and then the user can say, "Hey, sure, you want to trigger this process? Like we can trigger this process for you, something like that." Or like we can say, "Here, click here to trigger a process, or send yourself, or send an email out, or something like that, right?" So all of these are like really, really, it can get really, really advanced. Um, so um, imagine if, let's say, for example, I wanted to share a link or something like that. Like this should be clickable, right? So yeah, the work of talk on it could be very useful. Yeah. all you have to do is just type in an address, and automatically detects that, hey, by way of regular expression, we say, hey, this is a link, right? And allows you to, and you don't automatically, well, not clickable, but you can click on it, and it allows you to open up the page in a certain in a tab or something, right? So that's kind of cool. We'll build enhancements to this thing and make it rich, featured, right? Where if we ever have to use this, all we have to do is just like plug and play, dude. Plug this thing into and emojis. I don't know about emojis. I don't think we need to that degree, but yeah, we can. We should be able to when you go to reply or something like this. Like there should be maybe an emoji button somewhere. Let's see. Do we really need it? Probably not. But emojis sometimes you speak louder than words. Just thumbs up. You don't have to say okay. You don't have to say Roger that. You don't have to say good job. Just thumbs up and say that. And this simple thumbs up is like, yeah, I'm in alignment with you, or something like that. Right. So I really like this new caption thingy. You know. So anybody that logs into the system here automatically can use the advanced features here. Right. So anyways, that's it.